Hello and welcome to another Python tutorial. In this video we'll be defining something called functions. I say the word defining as a key subject because to create a function you've got to use something called define, or DEF. DEF is short for define, and that's how you basically learn it. So you first give it a name. So we're gonna do health. No, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like the random number game. We're gonna define Rn. And we're going to call this subject Rn. Okay, now to define, you've then got, you put the name and then you put parentheses, or brackets, depending on what you want to call them, and then a colon. Now you go on to your next line and you want an indent here. And we're going to do, we're going to create a random number. So, of course we've got to import the random dictionary. So from random import all. All is always shown by that star if I've not shown you already. So ran dint. No, we've got to create a name. Okay, so Rn. I'm gonna call it Rnn is equal to randint. I'm going to do 1 to 100. Now I'm going to call this Rn1. And then define Rn2. Rnn is equal to randint 1-1000. Okay, now there's two ways to print what you've done from these out. You can either do print and then put the name of what you're doing, or you can just type in. Now we can't do it in this case only because we've got no printing function in here, because if you wanted to, instead of doing that, you could put print and then it does that as well, but we're just wanting to print. Now, we have got to put this print function, so I show you both ways actually. Run, and now to print you've got to put those parentheses again. Print Rnn. Cool. Now with variables, this just changed the variable. It's a different thing because you're only calling this one, which means that over here it's not saved as that. So it's easy to do this without getting, and it doesn't change them. So they'll both be different numbers, unless it's not unless I'm unlucky. You can't call this function. For some reason you can't call that one with the print. So you have to do our own one like that. Now they both should be different numbers to prove that I'm correct, and debug works. That's good. 13,501. So yeah, they both came up with different numbers, and if we run it again, yeah, and to prove it's not just because I added that extra 0, change it again. So these are really useful, and now that we get to use them, I will be using them, and I have used them in my code before, but it's really good. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.